Hello everyone. Today is 25th September 2021 and our today's topic is methods in Java. Before discussing the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sagar Patil. I have done my mechanical engineering from Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon, and I am from Nandurbar, Maharashtra. Returning to our topic, what is methods? Methods are a set of code or statements grouped together to perform action in a program. So, methods are used to achieve reusability of a code. It is the most important topic of OOPS, object-oriented programming. Uh, so the code is written in a methods once, and we can use them again and again. So we do not have to write a code again and again. Methods are the block of statement which are executed again and again when we revoke them or call them in a program. So the most important method in Java is main method. So the next topic is method declaration. Method declaration consists of arguments, return type, visibility, and method name. The the method the the main six components of a method are enclosed in a method header, and they are uh, access modifier. Access modifier is used to give a visibility or a scope to a method. There are mainly four types of access modifiers. First is private, second is protected, third is public, and fourth is default. If you use private access modifier, then the method is only accessible to a class, and we cannot access the method from outside the class. If we use a protected modifier, uh, then we can only access the method from package. We do not access the method from outside the package. If we use a public modifier, then we can access a method from within the class, within the package, outside the class, and outside the package. So the next is default. Default is same as a protected, but if we define a child class in a method or a class, we can access it from outside the package. So the next is return type. Return type is a type of data. uh, it is a it is a type of data which is int, byte, float, character, object, collection, or a void. If we do not return any return type, then the method is called a void method. So the uh, third is name. Name is a unique name of a method which we declare next to the data type. So the name of a method is uh, should be the uh, prospective. If we are subtracting two numbers, then the method name should be the subtraction. Uh, the next topic is method arguments. So the arguments or parameters are the data types we declare in a uh, parenthesis. We declare in parenthesis a data type and a variable. So if we don't declare any data type or variable, then the parenthesis may be a blank. So the uh, next topic is method structure. Method structure consists of a method parameters and method name. So the there are two types of method. First is user defined methods, or second is inbuilt methods, or RO library methods. So user defined methods are defined by a programmer or a user who can writing a program. So we can modify a user defined programmer by our requirement, and the inbuilt methods are length equals to compared to sqrt, etc. These are the inbuilt methods. We can invoke them by uh, calling them in a program at any point. Thank you.